Welcome everyone to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to download and install the Dropbox application. So for that, first of all, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap open the App Store, and from there you will be able to download the Dropbox application. So once you open the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar on top and then type in Dropbox. Then tap on search. It will show you the search result on the top. Now you tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. And once the installation process of the Dropbox is completed, you will be able to open the application in your mobile device. You can see the installation process is completed. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Dropbox application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.